Starting to rain a bit, but this lightning has been going non-stop for several minutes now.
Aliens! Serious.
Bizarre. Barely raining, but whoa.
Bug. Sorry.
Probably lots of bugs here. I'm standing right by the door.
Aliens.
That is freaky. Non-stop. It actually starts like raining. I'm gonna have to come in because my phone's gonna get wet.
Aliens. That's all I'm saying on the matter of aliens.
This is madness. This has been going for minutes.
Yeah. It's been going for like the whole night. Like,
it's starting to sprinkle, but
no,
this
but I mean,
is...
it started with like the flashes every 2 minutes. And now it's like constant.
This has not stopped. I've never seen this in my life.
No. Well, I mean, if you haven't seen it in your life, then obviously I haven't.
Good point. That is so cool. Scary, kind of, but cool. Weird.
No?
That is too weird. Wow. Non-stop light. I've never seen this. Heart's going a mile a minute.
We should call,
If anybody was intelligent, they'd like stop filming and go in, but
we should call Graham and the casket.
my legs are shaking.
Okay?
Hmm?
We should call Graham to chase the storm.
Let's chase it where? It's everywhere. Wow.
We can't even tell if it's close or not because like you're hearing thunder at the same time as the lightning.
I think I might have caught a bolt.
Like,
I'll have to see after.
You're hearing thunder at the same time as you're hearing the lightning, so you can't really tell if it's close or not because there's so much lightning.
That is too weird. It's so cloudy. So all I'm seeing is sheet.
Which wants to see?
I had to brace against the wall because I'm shaking too much. Ah.
Boots is checking it out too.
There we go. That is too weird. I've never seen this. And I've been in some really neat storms. This is weird. Ooh.
Or not. Come on down.
Wow. Still barely raining. Bit of a sprinkle. Ooh. Okay, well, that's enough of that. My phone's gonna get wet and it's not gonna work.